Oh, let's see.
I'm keeping tabs on you. You people, you think you're smart. You think you're smart. Do your work. Do your work. I'll come and see it myself.
Telling me if it's right or no. So then I won't have to rub it out because I don't even have a rubber.
If you like, help him. I will give you a hard one to do. Do your work. Give me the rubber. Give me. Put it in the middle.
What the dog do?
I'll get it.
No. My braids hair just arrived. I can finally put this hair in braids. I've taken down my cornrows and I need to wash this hair and prep it. Meanwhile, I have this concoction here. I got this recipe from my sister-in-law. There's cloves and rosemary, fresh rosemary in here, and it has been sitting for God knows how long. So the cloves in there have marinated with the rosemary, and it's just a beautiful concoction for my hair. So I'm going to spray this in. I didn't want to put it in my hair last night because I was going to bed. So I'm going to spray this in and leave it for a couple of minutes, maybe about 20-30 minutes before I wash out my hair. So yeah. And when I wash the hair, I'm going to spray this on my roots because apparently it's good for stimulating hair growth and all of that. But anyway, that's just it. That's everything that's in there. Cloves and rosemary. That's it. I was thinking of putting onions in it, but I think that it will make the smell. I hope you guys can hear me because the dishwasher and the washing machine is on here. Don't tell him the answer.
I'm telling him the answer.
Hello?
I didn't want to go out in the electric.
It's raining. It's a rainy day.
Dry.
I don't know. I really don't know. But this rain is just... At least my lawn is green again. Remember how the lawn was looking? Burnt. It was looking very one kind. Guys, this glass, we need to clean it. It's not looking okay.
Yeah, I want to clean it.
We are going to... You want to clean it now?
No, I said I don't want to clean it now.
My dear, you will clean it. Wow, alright. Well, I like it.
I think this is...
Are you asking me the answer?
Yeah, this too. You've literally got 4.
Hello?
I haven't told him the answer.
Thank you. Do your work. When you're done, we'll play a game. Then you have screen time break.
Yeah.
Then...
tablet.
No, it doesn't mean tablet. It does not mean tablet. We're having another tablet free day.
Why? What about
Because
tomorrow? We haven't even used it on Wednesday.
I know. Is it not good?
Why haven't we used it on We haven't even used it. We've only used it on... I think it's because she wants us to have a break from the tablet.
Yes. Oh. Daniel gets it. But are you not better for it? Actually, remember what I showed you? Remember that video I showed you? I need to show it to you. Let me show you. No. I'll show you. Hey guys, I saw this really scary video of this young Indian boy whose brain was fried from watching and playing too much games, and it just really made me make this holiday a screen-free. Like, even if they were going to have screen time, it was going to be for a regulated period of time. So parents, please beware. This is a very damaging effect when they are constantly playing games and all of that. So yeah, please be careful out there. So later on in the day, the boys are making their own lunch. This is also something that I've also incorporated into their daily routine, just so that, you know, they have a lot more activities to do on their own. The boys are making noodles, and you know, I'm also going to put some broccoli in there for them, Asha's just cut up this head of broccoli and is also going to wash it while Daniel is parboiling the noodles with me. Once that is ready, we're ready to start sauteing our onions. We're using a lot of onions because it's good for their eyes. It has a lot of qualities for them that is good. Asha's gone ahead to season the onions with black pepper and garlic powder, and then once that is done, we're just going to scoop the onions out and season our shrimps with just salt and pepper, and then we're going in with the broccoli, let that steam for a while, and then we are ready to add the noodles in and the seasoning. All of that, the seasoning packet goes in. I mean, this is such a fun experience for them because they understand the process of cooking. They are also able to see the different ways that noodles can be made, not just in the microwave or just done with just boiling. So yeah, this was a very tasty noodles and I actually quite enjoyed it, but for me I needed to add some extra pepper. This shiitake came in handy because it is such a great complement to every single thing. I just love how spicy, how it just brings the food to life for me. Anyway, this was lunch, and afterwards the boys got freshened up and then we went out because the rain finally stopped and it was too late for me to wash anyway. So boys went out with their scooters and I just enjoyed the breeze. It was a bit chilly, but we were all ready.
That's how they rope me to come out on a rainy day. And they're not crazing themselves watching TV all day. It takes a lot from me because I have to occupy them. I can hardly get any other job done or anything else because I am the entertainment. I am the Olotu. I am the MC of the entertainment. It takes a lot from me, but they're happy and their brain is not fried at the end of the day. So hello, we're all right. I haven't had the chance to film any proper content this past few days because I am a lot. So yeah, I brought the boys to the park again to come and hang out. They're just here to spend about 1 hour and then we'll go home, have dinner, have dessert, and then it's time for them to go to bed. I've been trying to stick to a routine. God has been faithful. It has been working so far. I hope I don't fall on my face. This is the time when dog walkers bring their dogs out for a walk. There's about 3 of them around now. Sometimes the dogs come around, they run around your legs and all that. The villagers are friendly, I'll tell you that for free.
Anyway, after about an hour, it was finally time to go back home, and because it had just rained, everywhere was so muddy and everything, and we just had to take the shoes off at the entrance of the house and all of that. But anyway, I already started the dinner process in the morning. I had already marinated my meat, just putting away these noodles, and this is what they're probably going to have for leftovers maybe the next day. Anyway, the meat is all marinated. It has been sitting in the fridge for maybe about 8 hours since the morning, and Asha is just going to go ahead and start grilling that in the pan, and I'm going to go ahead and wash this cucumber and then chop it up. Well, having something light for dinner because no one really wants to eat anything heavy. So yeah, this is dinner and it came together really quickly. We were literally ready to eat less than 20 minutes from getting back from the park. But yeah, this was a simple dinner, and afterwards we had ice cream, and the boys wanted to play a game, which was something they had been waiting for their dad to do ever since he was at work. So yeah, we played their Monopoly. You can see some of the pieces just hanging around. We had to pause that to eat dinner first, and afterwards we went ahead to play this game. This game was fun. It was really fun, and it's quite different from the adult version or the regular Monopoly, but at least it's easy for them to understand, and they're able to understand the concept of money. Also, like their other board games, they have chess pieces, they have other kind of board games, snakes and ladders. So this is the kind of activities that I kind of like to occupy them with, because it's more regulated. It teaches a lesson, or they are able to understand the value of something. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.